eating KFC. This is my last day to eat all this junk food. हमारा डोमिनोज भी आ चुका है. As you guys saw that today is my last day of eating anything and everything because कल से I'm on a strict diet. I'm gonna follow a 1000 calorie diet plan. It's not a diet plan, but I will be like taking care of the calorie count that I'm getting inside my body. So it's like 1000 is my limit from tomorrow, and I will also be doing my 2-week program that I'm so excited about. Like ये 2-week program start करने से पहले what I did was I actually managed to exercise 20 days straight. Like I wanted to check myself if I can work out for like continuously for 20 days, and yes, I did it, and I'm so happy and proud of myself for that. But in case you guys are interested in which program I'm starting, I think it's either it's a 2-week program. I'll decide it today कि मुझे 2 weeks वाला करना है कि 3 weeks वाला करना है. So I will like research a little more upon it, and then I'll link it in the description. Today is Sunday and I'm procrastinating to take a shower since the morning. So right now I'm just gonna pamper myself. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna wash my hair because it's so dirty at this point, dirty and oily. So here is my to-do list. I'm gonna work out first, then I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, do my pamper session because skincare before a makeup tutorial is very important, otherwise the makeup is not gonna look beautiful. After that, after the pamper session, I'm gonna maybe have my dinner, and then I'm gonna start filming videos. So this is the to-do list for now, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys after my workout, and yeah, let's go. As you guys can see my halat, I have completed my workout, and I also ate my dinner. Like आधे घंटे के gap के बाद I ate my dinner. Now I'm gonna like start the preparation of my filming process. Now today is a batch filming night day. Like I'm gonna pull an all-nighter to just ate my dinner, so I'm gonna wait for like 15 to 20 minutes, and 15 to 20 minutes के बीच में what I'll do is I'll plan my content. Alright guys, so the planning is done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finally take a shower because I'm feeling very too much. The first step before washing your hair is to detangle your hair, and my hair is so like uljhe hue right now, so I'm gonna quickly detangle it and start with washing my hair. I'm also gonna do some skincare today because my skin is like asking for help right now. It wants all the exfoliation, the scrubbing, the eyebrows, and get rid of the extra hair on my face. I'm just gonna wash my face first very nicely. I'm gonna take some time to wash it. You always just see the results, like the video that comes after all of these things. So I was like, I need to show you guys what goes behind the scenes of filming content and stuff. So I've been trying out this Love Beauty and Planet natural coconut water and mimosa flower shampoo and conditioner since about 2 weeks now, and my hair, trust me guys, have never felt this bouncy and voluminous. This combo does all the good things for your hair while keeping the element of nature in mind. It's clean, vegan, the ingredients are absolutely a dream. It gives the hydration and the boost of the volume that your hair needs, and the fragrance, oh my god, the fragrance that it leaves behind after the wash is so good. And anyways, the fragrance of these two is so good. It makes your shower experience so relaxing, so therapeutic. Like oh my god, I absolutely love this combo. Like मुझे इतनी देर से कोई ऐसा combo पसंद ही नहीं आया होगा जितना मुझे ये आया है. Like every girl with frizzy hair should try this once. Like once in a lifetime. I'm gonna put you on this combo because it's really so good. Can't stress on it enough. I'll link all the product details in the description. Go check it out. I know you'll absolutely love it if you have hair like mine. Hello guys, I just got done with my shower and I feel relaxed. Like I cannot even tell you how relaxed I am right now. But I need to do my skincare. I just washed my face with a face wash as you guys saw, and now I need to do some scrubbing. I also need to change my nail paint, and I also need to shave my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a cup of tea first, and oh my god, my hair smells so nice. I just wish you guys could just smell it once. Oh my god. I'm gonna fatafat make a cup of tea and I'll be back. So here's my cup of tea, you guys. Since I'm on 1000 calorie diet, so I'm just gonna have my 2 Mary biscuits and this very healthy snack. This is, I think, called party snack, and it's really good and it's healthy also. So I'm gonna have my tea, enjoy, let my hair air dry, and then I'm gonna start filming. But before that, filming se bhi pehle I need to like make a setup nicely, and I also need to see what clothes I have to wear today. So that is also one thing that you guys don't know. It just goes behind the scenes and I never talk about it. Do you guys have an idea what just happened? Ouch, my nail just broke. Oh my goodness, look at the size of the nail first. Bye bye nail. I'm just gonna throw it in the dustbin. And now I'm quickly gonna clean this backdrop that you guys see in my videos, and with a click I'll do that. So 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at this. I have one LED light there, one here on the table, and this is like giving that reflection, a very beautiful reflection. I can also change the colors. I'll just show you. So here's the remote. I can do like it's on purple right now, so I can do it red. Red looks beautiful as well. I can do blue. Oh yeah, blue is also looking really nice. But I have planned to go ahead with purple today, so I'll be using it like that. Now it's way too clear, and I'll be sitting right here and makeup ka saman hoga aas paas, and that is my background. Now this is how I film. This is my struggle, like real struggle of a YouTuber. Let's go. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna do my eyebrows and get rid of the facial hair, and then I also have to change my nail paint. I'll do that once I apply the face mask. Jab tak face mask dry hoga, tab tak I'll do my nails. So yes, let's get started with the shaving process. I'm gonna tweeze them first, and then I'm going to do the rest of the things. And I also have this one, which is like a smaller tool, and this one is a bigger one for the face, and this one is for the eyebrows. So I'm quickly gonna do it, and then I'm gonna get started with the video. I'm not gonna talk you through this shaving thing, because otherwise this video is going to be so long. Guys, I did tweeze my eyebrows and it's painful. Like, you know, beauty is pain. I agree to that. So my face is super clean right now, so I am now going to just rub an ice cube. It just brings a different level of glow to your face, so I'm just gonna do it like for a minute or so. Alright, so now once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and do my masking. I'm not going to scrub because I just exfoliated with the tool. Alright, so now my skin feels plump, juicy, and you know, very active. So I am quickly going to apply a face mask. You can actually apply any face mask that you like. My face masks that I have, and I'm gonna apply it. This is the best time to apply a face mask. It's gonna soak in all the good things. Make sure you're applying the face mask generously. It will help. I'm so excited to do my makeup after this. So I'm gonna keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Tab tak I'm gonna do my nails. So I am gonna apply a very simple brown shade only, because why not? Also, I'm having my hot water side by side. और मेरा ये nail टूट गया. You guys just saw that. Alright you guys, now I'm just gonna wait for my mask to dry and for my nails to dry as well. I'll see you once I just remove all of this. Alright, so the mask is off and my skin feels so good. I have moisturized it nicely. मैंने serum भी लगाया है और अब मैं फटाफट अपने बाल straight करूँगी and I'll be off to filming another YouTube video. So that is my hair all all straightened up. I feel really good. Hi guys, I completed the video that I wanted to shoot for you guys, and the makeup look has turned out to be so nice. I don't want you guys to see like a lot of details, so I actually changed my top. I was wearing some other top. So it's like 6:30 in the morning right now, and I guess I'm gonna go ahead and remove this beautiful makeup. I just don't want to remove this makeup. It's so pretty. I don't know if this look will come up first or this vlog will come up first. Let's see. I think I'm gonna edit the makeup look first. I'm really excited, and I also had my another cup of tea, so I'm way too energetic right now. Let's remove this makeup together. Let's remove the makeup. I'm gonna remove this dainty piece now. There you go. Now it's the time to remove the lashes. Best feeling in the world. Now I'm gonna remove my lenses. Also, this is my actual eye, which is black, and this one is lens. See, you have to be very gentle. I've seen people dragging their eyes, dragging their skin while removing the makeup, and that is not the right way to do it, you guys. Whenever you are removing it, just put the makeup remover wipe or anything that you're using like that for some seconds, and then very lightly remove it like that. Don't drag and pull your eyes, you guys. It's gonna do the worst. Hi guys, so I was getting a little bored from filming and editing and filming and editing, and I am planning to do some DIY right now. If you don't know, I'm a big fan of DIYs, like DIYing stuff. I think my colors are in this drawer. Yes! What is this? I just want some of these colors. Oh my god, I'm already getting excited after watching this. और ये मैंने देखो किस डब्बे में डाला हुआ है, शादी के जो invitations होते हैं ना. Alright you guys, so what DIY I'm going to do is, I have this mirror and this is broken. We're gonna make a pattern. This is so interesting. That was satisfying, right? I'm gonna make roses like this, and we will see how it goes with silver paint. I have silver color. It is 11:54 right now, and I think I should go and sleep. And this is the beautiful mirror that we created together. So pretty. Hi guys, welcome to my closet. Is this angle weird? I'm gonna show you a few things that I got some clothes for myself. So I'm gonna show you what things I got. So this is the dress. I got this dress and it does not fit me. It is in the size XL. And ये small जितना size भी नहीं है. I can assure you that. I put a picture here. I'm not trying anything. So this is how the jeans look like. It's like 2-color jeans. I think I have never owned something like this, and it's a very long high-waisted jeans which I really enjoy. I have never owned something like this, so I'm really excited to style this. Another thing is this t-shirt right here. It's super comfortable. It has a heart on it, and I got it in like extra large size because I wanted something very airy, because itni garmi hai yahan pe, but it's very loose and very comfortable, so I enjoyed it. And I also got this top. This is how it looks like. It's a crop top, so you can wear some jacket over it. If you want, you can wear it like this also. This is how it looks like. Super neutral. The cut is just right here, which looks super sexy. It's super like plain and very classic chic. So yeah, that is that. And I also got some accessories. I also got some rings from Urbanic. So these are the clay rings that I got. And then I got these rings. I'm not trying them because it's a hassle to try these rings. So I'll insert a picture right here. Then I have this denim jacket that I got from Lifestyle. It's super cute. The color is so pretty. It's peach in color. I really like these. These are like mom jeans kind of. Has this really pretty accent to it, which I really love. This is how the jeggings look like. They have this white border This is what kind of an angle is this? Got this layered neck piece just to add up some accessories in my videos. I got this nose ring which is super cute. I'm not gonna wear it right now because it's a surprise. I'll wear it in one of my makeup tutorials. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here, right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you guys would like to see more of such vlogs. This is another vlog for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Good night, bye.